Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Today we will learn how can give the transition effect. What is the slide transitions in Microsoft PowerPoint? Slide transitions are more effects that occur in slide show view when you move from one slide to the next slide during a presentation. You can control the speed, add sound, and even customize the property of transition effects. You can control the speed and sound and even customize the properties of transition effects. Let us see how can add a transition to a slide. First, in the pane that contains the outline and slide tab, click the slide tab, select the slide thumbnails of the slide that you want to apply a transition to. Then after, on the transition tab, in the transition to this slide group, click the slide transition effect that you want for that slide. Then after, select a transition in the transition to this slide group. To see more transition effects, click the more button. To apply the same slide transition to all the slides if you want in your presentation. Otherwise, you can give the different types of each slides, or you can also give the other transition effect for each and every slides during your presentation running. To apply the same slide transition to all the slides in your presentation, if you want for the different for each and every slide, you can do. Now follow steps through 4 above and then on the transition tab in the timing group and click apply to all or only OK. And you can also give the timing. To set the time for a transition to a slide, to set the duration of the transition between the previous slide and the current slide, do the following. How? Let us say on the transitions tab in the timing group, in the duration box, type or select the speed that you want. Okay, I want to make a slide and make more than one slide. Then you can apply the transition in 2 slides, between 2 slides. You can also give the transition for one slide also, only when your slide will be start in beginning, that will be give the transition effect. But if you have to more than one, you can give the effect to other. First is different and second will be also different. Yes, first click on start button and choose the all apps or all programs and choose the PowerPoint. Scroll down your scroll button, PowerPoint. You can choose this and click on it to open. And there is a given by default, choose the blank presentation and choose your layout. Click on layout. 9 types of layout. Choose blank layout Now give the effect. First you should make a slide. I want to change background. Right click, option will be appear, choose the format background. Then after here is given solid, gradient fill, pictures to textures, patterns fill, so many options to change the background. It is depend on you. If you want to choose from here, you can choose like this type. It is the background is coming. Background will be so. It is a single color. Gradients, fill, you can choose from here also. Preset. These are the pre-design gradient. Suppose I have choose this. Okay. And then after insert word art, click on insert tab and choose the word of text group and then choose the word art option. These types are given word art option. Suppose I have choose this one and type what you want. Sunbeam. And choose the color also from here. It is the background color. I want to text color from this side and choose the bold also. Double click on that or select the text bold. If you want to more than size, choose the more than size. Okay, and then give the effect. Select your object or text and choose the animation tab. Option will be appear. Then choose animation pen. It is a show for your properties for the given effects and choose add animation and more emphasis effect, complementary and OK. Then give the property, double click on this property will be appear. At once I want to choose by later. Timing, it is a depend on you. I have to show here with previous. Very slow and until end of the slide. Yes, color has changed for each letter. Okay, and next slide. How can you create a next slide? It is the first slide. Create for next slide. You can use also shortcut Control plus M. Hold Control button and press M. See, it is the second slide will be added. Or you can also insert and new slide. It will be added. So there is a two method. First is a shortcut and second you can add from here. Click on insert tab and choose the new slide. It will be add. Or you can choose Control M. New slide, Control M. Or you can say add a slide to your presentation. Press Control and M. Hold the Control button and M. It will be added. Now change. I want to change the background. Now see, there is a background is a different. Yes, and this slide I want to use insert and save. And drag it, choose the color, double click and choose the color of this outline color, outline, yes, and give the effect. First select your object to give effect, click on animation tab and click on animation, add animation, and here is given once again more emphasis and complementary color, yes, and OK, and click on it to set the property, double click on it, window will be appear. Click for the timing with previous, very slow and until end of the slide, and click on OK button. Now here we want to learn how can you give slide transition. Slide transition are motion effect that occur in slide show view when you move from one slide to the next slide during a presentation. Very simple. Click on transition and choose first to give the effect. It is a very good idea. Your slide view will be slide shorter view. Here you can see all slide in a single view. So it is the first slide and this is the second slide. First slide, how can you give transition effect to your slides? First, suppose I want to choose from here transition effect. For this, transition is here. Select your slide and here is the more, you can choose the more. First I want to choose the honeycomb effect. Yes, it for this. And second is select this one and click on more. What you want, you can choose from here. That is a glitter. Okay. Then after, see there is a given here what time your slide will be changed. It is depend on you. You can click on mouse, uncheck and choose here after 10 seconds, and then after it also select it and choose after 10 seconds. In there, when you have to select the slide for the timing, it will be so here it is a 10 second and it is also 10 second. Now you can see your slide has already transitions had given on your slides. So how it can be so? Let us see how look like. First, to show your presentation, you can use shortcut key of the keyboard F5 function key, or you can click on here. It is a slideshow. See, it is a symbol for icon for slide show. You can click on here. It will be start from beginning. Yes, you can see. Count from this 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it will be automatically changed. Yes, it will be automatically changed without clicking. The slide has exit from the presentation. Very simple. Once again, I want to change the effects. See, once again click on the transition, and first your view should be on slide shorter view to give easy effect. Select your slide to give transition effect and click on, here is a more. I want to choose now this time vertex. Yes, and second, and timing is already as given. It is depend on you. If you want to less time or more time, you can increase or decrease. And then after second, choose the other one. Suppose I want to choose rappel time. Yes, and timing is 15 seconds. It is depend on you. You can also, but it should be unchecked of the mouse click. It will be automatically exit because here is the only two slide. It is depend on you. If you want to repeat once again, keep 1 and 2, 1 and 2, it will be continuously go. That is the other method to set this slide timing. But here first slide will be show, then after 10 seconds it will be show second slide, then after 15 seconds it will be exit from the slide. So now see, it is you can also from here slide show, but it is a very simple way. Click on normal. Now it is in normal view and click for this, but I want to present this slide by shortcut method this time. This time I want to press F5 button of the keyboard. It will be start. After just 10 seconds and then after 15 seconds it will be automatically exit from presentation. Yes, you can see here there is a given end of the slide, so click to exit. Now it is the exit. Yes students, maybe you have understood. And next, from beginning I want to once again I want to change this effect, give the animation and add animation. I want to entrance more entrance effect for the Jew and click on OK. And it is after this, but I want to first of this, so you have to select this and double click on it, timing with previous and slow or very slow and click on OK button. It will become like this type. OK, and text. Select add animation, more entrance effect fly, choose the fly. Last video we can see this type, and click on OK. First I want to change, double click on this. It is a given from the bottom, it is a depend on you where come from this. I want to choose the bottom right side like this type, and by later it is a depend on you, and delete with this. Start smoothly, smooth in, and second it should be there, and it is with previous. Click on OK button. Yes, double click. Timing is here, by later. Yes students, once again I want to add the animation. See, first select your text where you want to give the animation effect, add, and choose the more intense effect option will be appear, and choose here fly in, and click on OK. Double click on it to show maximize size, and once again select your object or text and double click on this property to open with previous, and very slow. Effect is here, by later, delay with 5s, and click on OK. Then this will be also you can choose, and click on OK button. Now you can see it will become like this type. Yes, now it is ready to show that, and also give the different transition effect. Click on transition and choose here slide shutter view, and depend on you which type you want. Suppose I want to choose the curtain. Yes, and second for I want to choose yes, like this type, cubic side or rotate. Yeah, there's a many effects are there. It is a depend on you which type. Suppose I want to split. Yes, there's a given the like this type you can choose. Yes, fade it will be so, and push upside. Yes, like right side, left side, reveal. Yes, uncover. Yes, wind type. Yes, so it is a depend on you to this one. Page curl, love, and then after give the timing. First slide time is here 10 seconds. I want to increase 15 seconds, and this slide I will be 10 seconds. There's a different, and click on show slideshow to show your presentation. You can also press F5 button, function button of the keyboard. Yes, choose the normal, and then after choose the first and click on slideshow view. It is a slideshow view. Yes, click on it to start your slides. It is a curtains view effects. Yes, after what you have to give in the timing, it will be changed. Yes, time is over because you had given only 10 seconds for the last slide. So end of the slide. So click to exit. Yes, maybe you have understood to give the transition of a slide, to specify how long before the current slide advance to the next. Use one of the following procedure. You have already done. To advance the slide, when you click the mouse under transitions tab in the timing group, select the mouse, click checkbox if you want, otherwise you have unchecked. To advance to slide after a specified time, on the transitions tab in the timing group, in the after box enter the number of the second that you want. In next slide we will be learn how can you add sound to slide transition. Yes students, prepare for that. Do the practice at your home. If you have PC, laptop, take care. Bye bye.